pack my dreams into a worn-out bag, chasing skies I never thought I'd have. Every mile writes another page, growing stronger with every change. Even when the night is cold, I keep believing, I keep holding on. It's a long road, but I'm not alone. Every heartbeat leads me home, step by step through the highs and lows. Hope is brighter than I know. I keep running, I won't slow. My story's written on this long road. Broken signs and endless rain turn my losses into strength again. Every sunrise lights the way closer to a better day. If I stumble, I will rise. There's a fire in these eyes, no looking back, no fear to hold. I'm made for this long road. It's a long road, but I still believe. Every dream is calling me through the storm and through the glow. Love and hope will always grow. I'll keep singing as I go, forever walking this long road. One more mile, one more song, I'll find where I belong.
The sun went down behind the pines, leaving gold across the county lines. Old boots walking where the gravel bends, chasing dreams that never seem to end. Under whiskey skies and a moon so bright, we're singing old songs through the summer night. With a heart that's free and a soul untamed, life's worth living when love knows your name. No matter where these highways start, home is written on my heart. Grandpa's stories still echo clear. Every lesson grows stronger year by year. A little faith and a lot of grace help me find my rightful place. When the storms roll in and the road gets long, I keep moving with a hopeful song. Every sunrise brings a brand new chance to trust this life these highways start, home is written on my heart. The sun went down behind the pines, leaving gold across the county lines. Old boots walking where the gravel bends, chasing dreams that never seem to end. Under whiskey skies and a moon so bright, we're singing old songs through the summer night, with a heart that's free and a soul untamed. Life's worth living when love knows your name. No matter where these highways start, home is written on my heart. Grandpa's stories still echo clear. Every lesson grows stronger year by year. A little faith and a lot of grace help me find my rightful place. When the storms roll in and the road gets long, I keep moving with a hopeful song. Every sunrise brings a brand new chance to trust this life and take the dance. Under whiskey skies and a moon so bright, we're singing old songs through the summer night, with a heart that's free and a soul untamed. Life's worth living when love knows your name. No matter where these highways start, home is written on my heart. The sun went down behind the pines, leaving gold across the county lines. Old boots walking where the gravel bends, chasing dreams that never seem to end. Under whiskey skies and a moon so bright, we're singing old songs